Morning, I'm Frank Gambino with Gambino Building and Remodeling. And today what we're going to do is show you a little process on a kitchen. What's kind of special about today is we're going to hopefully do this kitchen all in one day. So we're going to bring you in. As you can see, we're disassembling the new cabinets, just making sure everything's in good shape. I already have guys in getting rid of the old cabinets. We'll come back a little bit later, show you the kitchen as it's demoed. And then we'll give you little spots as the process goes on. Hopefully by the end of the day, around 3, maybe 4 o'clock, we'll have a working kitchen. See you then. Back, and as you can see, we started the process right around 7 o'clock. It's now 8 o'clock. Kitchen is empty. Next stage is start bringing in the new cabinets, set up, and we'll hang the wall cabinets first. So we'll be back at you probably in about an hour. Hopefully all the cabinets will be set. Countertops will be in shortly after that. Welcome back. As you can see, cabinets are all done. Granite is actually in the driveway. Getting ready to pull that in, and I would say in another hour or so we'll have everything in place so we can bring the plumber in and hook things up. And it is currently about 12:30 in the afternoon. So we're getting close. Our projected finish time is about 3 p.m. I think we can meet that. Watch the granite come in. Everything's done inside, and I hope you enjoy the video of how it all went together. I guess came apart and went together. And another happy customer, and look forward to doing it again and showing you how Gambino Building and Remodeling can expedite your kitchen more efficiently than others.